E-coasting uses the regenerative braking system to slow the vehicle when the accelerator pedal is released, increasing the amount of energy captured to recharge the electric battery. The current e-coasting level will be displayed in the instrument cluster. Level 1 denotes less vehicle braking and energy recovery. Level 2 has increased vehicle braking and energy recovery from Level 1. Level 3 has maximum braking and energy recovery. You can increase or decrease the brake energy recovery by using paddles located on the back of the steering wheel. Press the plus paddle to coast more, but decrease the level of braking and energy recovery. Use the minus shift paddle so that you coast less, but increase the level of braking and energy recovery. The icon will be green when the system is able to capture energy, or white when it is already 100% charged. An amber icon indicates a failure. You can turn the paddle shifters on or off in your Uconnect settings. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.